how to choose a people that you want to send you a direct message on TikTok. Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to choose a few people that you want to send you a direct message on TikTok. First thing, go to your TikTok. Now go to your profile, tap on those three buttons up there, tap on setting and privacy, tap at second choice, which is privacy. Now tap on direct message. Now, who can send you direct message? Friend or no one? Choose no one or choose friend, and you can choose those friends you want to send you a direct message. I'm gonna choose no one, and this is it. Hope this video was helpful, and if you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe and like.